You don't need art skills, just basic materials and a few quiet minutes. Anyone can draw and create here. Watch the full video to complete the artwork. You might surprise yourself with what you are able to create in the end. So draw with me or just watch and relax. Welcome once again. So today we are going to draw peacock mandala in Madhubani style. In Madhubani art, peacock represents beauty, grace and quiet confidence. The kind that doesn't need to prove itself. So draw with me or just watch and breathe. We are going to start with adding the lower border first. Just simple lines and draw them in pairs. Nothing complicated. Just draw two lines together. As we draw these lines, let's slow down the breath a little. There's no hurry here. And now we'll start adding a few petals inside the smaller space. I'll add a lotus, then I'll add two petals, then we'll add lotus. So we are going to do this alternatively. So as you're adding the patterns, allow your breathing to soften. There is nowhere else you need to be right now. Now I'm darkening up the space in between the petals. For the next step, we are going to use our scale for reference and draw a few boxes. The measurement can vary. Whatever the scale you have for reference, use that and draw a few boxes. Then I'm going to fill up these boxes with a beautiful flower pattern. Each flower shares a rhythm, yet none are exactly alike. This repetition gives the mind something gentle to rest on, without effort or intention. Now I'm going to add another few lines just to separate the artwork. Starting with a curve, which will be the face, and extend it till the border. Just touch the border. Then extend the other corner as neck. Then we'll add a paisley here, which is just an almond shape, you call it. In Madhubani art, the peacock reflects dignity and self-respect. As the form develops, we can quietly acknowledge our inner strength. Nothing needs to be added, nothing needs to be proven. Next step, the feathers. Feathers spread across the page. There is guidance in the pattern and freedom in how it unfolds. We allow the design to grow naturally without planning every detail. Just let the lines flow. Now we add the crown. Simple, centered, intentional. Complete the paisley with the inner lining. In the corner, we place the sun-like flower. In Madhubani, sun represents vitality and life energy. Here, it feels steady and warm, not demanding attention, just present. So we are just drawing a flower which represents the sun. I'm drawing inner lining to the petals. Leave some space. Add another curves. Just try to fill it up with some basic patterns. I am giving beautiful detailings here.
Now we fill up the peacock's body with Madhubani patterns. This stage invites repetition, and repetition invites stillness. Line after line, the mind begins to slow on its own. Just adding flowers and lines to decorate paisley, then adding another set of lines and petals for the neck. There's nothing to correct, just continuous and gentle movement. We draw eye starting with a curve on the top, adding another curve like this just to join it, then adding a circle on the inside. We are finishing up the feathers by adding a small circle, two circles with two lines on all of the feathers. Starting with green color, green for growth and renewal. The next color which we are going to use is blue. Blue for calm and depth. Then we'll fill up with repetitive lines inside of the green color which we have just drawn. Then using red and orange inside of the circles for warmth and life. As the color fills the form, let the moment stay relaxed and unforced. If thoughts come, gently return to the color in front of you. Finish up all the petals. Just draw another inner lining and color whole of the peacock body with a blue color or whichever color you wish. Coloring the paisley, I'm using the yellow color. The same color I'm using for the crown and adding red for the detailings. Adding red color for the lotus and also for the petals inside the paisley. Coloring up the border now. So wherever I see flowers, I'm using red color. Of course, you can go with any other color that you want. Adding the green as leaves. Filling up the whole space behind the border with a few lines. Finishing up the lotus with the red lines. Inside the neck also we are using red. Now coloring the sun with yellow, orange and red. Use whichever colors you want to, no restriction. This is the feeling of completion, not perfection, but wholeness. Now just take a moment and look at the finished mandala. You can color the background whichever color you want. Let your eyes settle wherever they feel drawn. Notice the harmony between the shape, the pattern, and the color. Breathe in slowly and release. This peacock mandala carries a quiet reminder: strength doesn't need to announce itself. Calm, confidence is already within you. Stay with the image for a few breaths. Keep breathing. Thank you for spending this time here.
Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. I'm Ramya Purohit. I'm a mandala artist and a former software engineer, and I've conducted more than 500 workshops and I've trained more than 5,000 participants worldwide. If you have liked what we have created, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload on this channel. Also, if you have any doubts, just write it in the comment section. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.